Hey, this is Mike, and today I want to talk about Wall Street bets and all the craziness that's going on with all the short squeeze stocks and the stocks like GameStop, which has exploded higher to unprecedented levels. You have AMC Theaters. Let's go ahead and take a look at AMC. That has exploded, and I'm so upset because I was going to go into AMC when it was at 287 when they secured that $900 million in debt. But I decided to go into the pharmaceuticals because that felt like a more sure bet. But, look what happened to GameStop. Now, the thing I want to talk about is that a lot of stuff happened after the market closes. Just the fact that a lot of these stocks have been halted for a moment. Wall Street Bets, the entire Reddit page went down and it's back up. Now it looks like a lot of these Redditors are moving on to Twitter. But there's also some news. You see a proposal here that GameStop trading should be halted for 30 days, says state securities regulator. The NASDAQ CEO said that they're going to halt trading if they suspect suspicious trading that comes from social media. So it looks like a lot of the exchanges, the whole securities business is going to try to put a halt to make sure there's not another GameStop situation. And that's basically because the hedge funds own the politicians and they want the game to be tilted to their advantage and not to the average investor's advantage. So what do you do from here? Now, the first thing I would say is stay on the sidelines, at least for today and tomorrow, to see what's going to play out here. I know there's going to be another attempt at a short squeeze tomorrow. I've been watching the Twitter feeds, and they're going to definitely try to pump up these stocks tomorrow. But I think if that happens, you already have a lot of brokers like Robinhood, Webull, TD Ameritrade say that they're just going to halt trading on GameStop on their own end. So that could be a choke point. So you don't want to buy into these stocks and then figure out that you can't get out of these stocks. Or you don't want to buy into these stocks and see the stock double and then find out that your trade gets busted. So I honestly think what's going to happen is eventually, if a lot of these brokers and exchanges are successful in basically choking out these short squeezes, I think a lot of these young traders or these retail traders are just going to abandon stocks and move into crypto because you really can't halt. I mean, you could halt trading of crypto at the brokerage end, but then people could go to different brokerages that are not regulated by the United States and trade Bitcoin and all that. So I would say as a hedge, I don't have a Bitcoin channel, but I like to talk about because it's relevant to investing, is that just go ahead, take a look at Bitcoin. I know Bitcoin is down relative to its high of 42,000. However, I can envision just naturally, I think the Bitcoin's price is going to begin to come up soon, but I think you could see a surge into coins if people say, look, we can't buy and trade, we can't buy and sell securities as easily as we used to, so we'll just go into crypto. So I just want to keep you ahead of the curve here that I anticipate there's going to be another attempt to do a short squeeze either on GameStop or AMC, but if that gets choked out by the trading platforms and by the securities, if the trading is halted, I think a lot of these people will say, you know what, let's just go pump up Dogecoin or Bitcoin or whatever. So I would say, I keep 5% of my investments in Bitcoin as a hedge, but I also think that should be something that you should heavily consider as well, because I think what Wall Street is trying to do in order to sort of stop the little guy from beating up the hedge funds, they may end up imploding the entire stock market, because a lot of traders may say, you know what, we realize now it's very, very obvious this is not a fair and even playing field, so let me go to another area of trading, trading Bitcoin or even trading, baseball cards or trading sneakers. I mean, it literally could get that ridiculous. I mean, if you know about these stock market exchanges for sneakers and stuff, though, that's a very big business, even trading paintings. But I just thought I'd bring it out there. I just wanted to let you know where I stand on the whole situation. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot. Bye.